Hi, it's Lee from Nextbase. I'm going to talk to you about our 222 Dashcam 1080p resolution, bringing high definition to everyone. Let's take a closer look. The second model up, the 222, features full high-definition 1080p for even greater clarity whether you're zooming in on number plates or even street signs. The 2.5-inch screen makes it fantastic for setup alongside these really tactile buttons and also playback, or you can use your laptop to play back and edit any footage you have captured. The 140-degree viewing angle means that everything is captured in your eyesight and it's always recording that evidence for you. The intelligent parking mode means that even when you are away from your car, if there is a jolt or an impact detected, this will start recording and capturing absolutely everything. So let's take a look at this in the car. Now, it was very important to our engineers that this was the simplest camera to put into your car and take out at the end of the day. And with our click and go mount, you won't find any other dash cam that does this. As you can see, it's super easy to install our dash cams, and with our magnetic mount, it's as simple as clicking it in place, and when you're done, removing it. Installation, very simple indeed. The cables included, you run around your vehicle into the power outlet. We recommend our own micro SD card, and this particular model will support up to 128 gigabytes. With a dash cam in your car, you can ensure that you and your family are kept safe, and you have proof in the event of any incident.